Why do different animals and even humans experience time at different speeds? Some creatures, like birds, insects, and small mammals, appear to perceive the world in slow motion, reacting to stimuli far more quickly than humans. A housefly, for example, can dodge an incoming slap with near instantaneous precision, as if time were running slower for it. Meanwhile, larger animals such as elephants seem to live in a much more sluggish perception of reality, moving slowly and reacting at a different pace. Even among humans, time perception is inconsistent. Time seems to stretch during moments of extreme fear or stress, such as in car accidents. Yet it speeds up as we age, making childhood summers feel endless and adult years blur together. Certain drugs, meditation practices, and neurological conditions can also manipulate time perception, leading to experiences where minutes feel like hours or entire days vanish in what feels like an instant. Scientists have proposed multiple explanations for this strange phenomenon, but none provide a complete answer. One theory suggests that an organism's metabolic rate plays a crucial role. Animals with fast metabolisms, such as small birds and rodents, process information more quickly, making the external world seem slower in comparison. This might explain why a fly dodging a swatter seems to react in an instant. It may be experiencing reality at a finer resolution than we do. Conversely, animals with slower metabolisms may experience time in longer intervals, leading to more sluggish reactions. Another idea is that time perception is linked to an organism's neural processing speed. The faster a brain can process visual and sensory information, the more frames per second it effectively perceives, allowing it to take in more detail in the same objective amount of time. If this is true, different species may be living in vastly different subjective versions of reality, where 1 second for one creature may feel like an eternity for another. The mystery deepens when considering time perception in humans. Why does time seem to accelerate as we grow older? One possibility is that our brains measure time relative to the total length of our lived experience. For a 5-year-old, 1 year is a massive 20% of their life, while for a 50-year-old, it's only 2%. This means each new year feels progressively shorter as we age. However, there are deeper, less understood mechanisms at play. Experimental studies suggest that the more novel experiences we have, the slower time appears to pass in retrospect. This could explain why childhood, which is full of first-time experiences, feels longer in hindsight, whereas adulthood, often marked by routine, seems to fly by.